my beautiful friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm unboxing the box by FASHIONSTA for the first time. If that sounds interesting, you want to see what I got and hear a little bit of a story? Stick around. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eileen, and I am so very glad that you decided to come and hang out with me for a little while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Now, the box by FASHIONSTA is a monthly subscription box. It costs $24.99 a month. They do offer discounts for 6 and 12-month subscriptions. You get between 5 and 7 full-size products every month, and they say the value will be between $100 and $150. So as I said, this is my first box, so let's check it out. And I do want to start out by saying that somehow I ended up with 2. But we'll get into that in a minute. So this is the box, and this one's card just says give thanks. So I certainly like that. On the back you do get the products that are included, and then inside it's nicely packaged with some tissue paper and the little paper confetti kind of streamery things. So let's check it out. The first product I see is from Susan and Me, and this is Simply Even Tone Perfecting Butter. This is not a brand I've ever heard of. They say it's a gentle solution for healthy, radiant skin. It's a blemish buster containing moisturizing blend of shea, cocoa, and mango butters. And together they help restore luster to your skin by removing dead skin cells and improving skin's quality and texture. It is available in 2 sizes at retail. There's a 2.3 ounce and a 6 ounce. This is the 2.3 ounce, and it retails for $24. Again, not a brand I'd ever heard of. So if you have tried anything from them before, let me know. I'd love to know who Susan is to the Susan and Me. Let's see what we have next from Three Graces Beauty. This is Lip Savior. This is a clean botanical formula that will restore your lips' volume within minutes. A blend of Portulaca pilosa gently plumps the lip, sesame extract blurs fine lip lines, and moringa, along with natural butters and oils, lock in moisture for all-day plumpness. And this is, again, a full size. It retails for $18. Okay, next from Dr. Botanicals, this is Watermelon Superfood 3-in-1 Cleanser and Makeup Remover. And they say this is a refreshing facial cleanser with powerful hydrating capacity and omega acids that remove any excess sebum on the skin. Full size in this would be 60 milliliters in retail for $24.90. There was, or is, a 30 milliliter at retail, but I can't find it in stock anywhere or any pricing about it. So this may have been formerly a retail size, but it is not now. So this 30 milliliter I'm valuing at half the price of the 60 milliliter, or $12.45. They actually give it a value here of $10. So, but just based on what we could buy it for, I'm saying it's a little higher than that. Next we have, let's see, we have some brushes. You know I love brushes. So we got 3 brushes. These brushes were available in 3 color handles, Midnight, Graphite, and Denim. And we got the Graphite, which is a dark gray. And we got the LR117 Angled Shading Brush, which retails for $28. The LR120 Tapered Blending Brush, which also retails for $28. And the LR304, which is an angled brush. This appears to be a face brush. This one retails for $32. And same price as they came up with here. So the total retail on these 3 brushes is $88. And next from Dominic Paul Cosmetics. This is a contour palette. Beautiful packaging. Hopefully you can See that embossed elephant on there. Absolutely gorgeous. Say our contour palette is multi-purpose and can be used as eyeshadows, bronzers, or setting powders. There's a nice large mirror here. And here are the shades. Certainly some of these are way too dark for me to be used as a contour or a bronzer, but you know, they could be used for eyeshadows as like crease shades or whatever. So very pretty. Again, another brand I never heard of. It's one of the things I like about these subscription boxes. You do learn about new brands, but if anyone has any experience with Dominic Paul Cosmetics, I'd love to hear. Retail on it is $40.08. They say $40 here, but I found it online at $40.08. So, and our last item is from Laura Sanchez Makeup, and this is the Moods palette. I have received this before, I think from Ipsy. It's an eyeshadow and highlighter palette. Let me open it up so you can take a look. I think the graphics on it are really cool. Back. I just think it's really cool. I know, I'm a bit of a hippie. Nice big mirror, but here are the eyeshadows and the highlighters, and it does come with a brush, a dual-ended brush. Very, very pretty. I really wanted it. I'd seen some other people playing with it online, and I wanted it. Haven't had a chance to play with it yet because I'm not doing a whole lot of playing with makeup these days. But I already have it, so this will be going in a giveaway. But the retail on this is $25. Guess who? I'm here with today's giveaway, and today is day 11 of our 25 days of giveaways. So let's get right into the products. Makeup bag. From ESW Beauty, we have the Deep Detox Pore Control Raw Juice Mask. From Skin Medica, Instant Bright Eye Mask. From Tan Luxe, the Face. From First Aid Beauty, Ultra Repair Cream. From Dermalogica, Hydro Mask Exfoliant. Also from Dermalogica, this is the Antioxidant Hydro Mist. From Nacific, this is Fresh Herb Origin Eye Cream. From Jack Black, we have Double Duty Face Moisturizer. From Rules of Mastic, 1X Enhancer Recovery Balm. From Pure Lease, this is Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask and Exfoliant. From L'Occitane, this is the Dry Skin Hand Cream for all that hand washing we're doing. From Evios Skin X Aurora, these are the Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. From AHC Essential, this is Real Eye Cream for the face. From Dr. Brandt, Microdermabrasion. From You Beauty, Resurfacing Compound. From Glam Glow, Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer. From Alamar Cosmetics, the Pero Primero Primer. From Crabtree and Evelyn, Raw Instinct Scent. From Sleek Makeup, Hydrating Primer. From Ardell Professional, we have 5 pairs of lashes in the style Natural. From Grande Drama, the Intense Thickening Mascara. From Lime Crime, we have Wet Cherry Ultra Shiny Lip Gloss in the shade Naked Cherry. From LA Splash Cosmetics, this is the Architect Slim Eyeliner. And from Milk Makeup, this is their Eye Vinyl. From Larizzi Cosmetics, the Liquid Beam Multi-Purpose Liquid Illuminator. From Floss, the Brighten Up Highlighter in the shade Sunlit. From e.l.f. Cosmetics, Bite Size Eyeshadow in the shade Pumpkin Pie. From Ciate London, the Editor Palette, and here are the shades. This is the New England Editor Palette. And from ColourPop, from the Sailor Moon collection, we have the Sailor Moon eyeshadow palette and one of the blushes, and this is in the shade From the Moon. Let's look at the blush first. And how cute is this? And this is the shade with the little Kit Kat embossed on there. And the eyeshadow palette. And here are the shades. And for tools, how could I forget? We have Sephora Collection eyelash curler, and from Farrah Brushes, a set of 5 eye makeup brushes. Okay, time for the rules. Same as they've been all along, with the exception of today's mystery word or phrase. Rules will be down in the description box. Again, without the mystery word or phrase, because that's something you'll only get from watching the video. You must have a US shipping address, you must be age 18 or over, must be subscribed to my channel with your subscriptions public, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you have them. Leave a comment that includes the word enter, and since 11 looks like 2 eyes, something about eyes, whether it's about the puppy dog eyes your kids are giving you when they're asking about what they're going to get from Santa this year, or about eye makeup, or something about potatoes having eyes. Doesn't matter. Something about eyes. Irish eyes are smiling. Whatever. That lets me know that you actually did watch the video. And again, include the word enter so that I know you want to be entered in the giveaway. If you do have Instagram or Twitter, leave me your Instagram name or Twitter name so that I have a way to contact you in addition to just responding to your comment here on YouTube. Because as we all know, sometimes YouTube notifications don't work like they're supposed to. If you don't have Instagram or Twitter, feel free to leave me another way to get hold of you, like an email, but you absolutely don't have to if you don't feel comfortable. If you're okay with only looking for the YouTube notification, or just coming back here and checking the comment section on this video to see who the winner was. Once I ship the box, I'm no longer responsible for the box or its contents. I will give the winner the tracking number once the box ships. This giveaway is not affiliated with or sponsored by YouTube, any of the brands mentioned, or any of the brands mentioned in the video that this one is going to be embedded in. All of the items in the giveaway were purchased with my own money, or were received in subscription boxes, mystery boxes, or the like that were purchased with my own money. Nothing was sponsored or donated. I will leave this giveaway open until December 25th at 1 p.m. Eastern. The winner will have 48 hours to respond to me, or I will choose another winner. Keep in mind that since December 25th is Christmas Day, I may not actually poll the winner at 1 p.m. because I don't know yet what I'm going to be doing on Christmas. But the winner will have 48 hours from the time I contact them to contact me. So don't be alarmed if by 2 or 3 o'clock on Christmas Day I have not posted the winner. It just means that I am doing Christmas stuff with my family, or just with my spouse, depending on whether we're able to travel. But once I contact the winner, they'll have 48 hours from that time to get in contact with me. So that is everything, and now let's get back to our regularly scheduled video in progress. So that's everything. They say 5 to 7 full-size products worth between $100 and $150. So we got the Laura Sanchez palette, the Dominique Paul contour palette, the Three Graces lip savior, the Dr. Botanicals watermelon cleanser, the Simply Even Tone Perfecting Butter from Susan and Me. So we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 brushes. So these are individually sold. These are not a set. So we actually got 8 products. And the retail value of my calculation, $207.53. So certainly got our money's worth there. As I said, I got two. Somehow, when I got the second box, I went and looked, and there were 2 subscriptions in my account. Unlike some of my other subscriptions, this was not intentional. They don't have, multiple versions of boxes, and I did open it up to check, and my second box is an exact duplicate of the first one. So look for it, or more likely its contents, in a future giveaway. I have contacted FASHIONSTA to try and figure it out. The initial contact said that they believe it's actually just a duplication on their end. To be honest, I have to go back and check my credit card just to be sure. But they told me to keep the second one and find it a good home, which is what I'm going to do. But I will include, like I said, these products will all be going into one or more giveaways. And since I already have that Laura Sanchez palette, at least that from the original box will also be going in a giveaway. But I'm not unhappy with my first one. Certainly the value is there. Brands I don't know, so I'd be happy to hear your experiences about them. But so far so good with FASHIONSTA. So let me know your thoughts and comments down in the comments section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.